Here we are on a home inspection. We got a bird in the house. Maybe we'll get it to fly out of here. Oh, there goes the window. Oh. Go this way. Don't go that way. Go this way. Shoo. No, that's a window. You can't get out that way. Come on. Why do birds gotta be so dumb? Come on. Go the other way. Come on. Oh, it just pooped.
Oh, in your hat?
Maybe. What are we going to do now? Maybe I'll open the window. Hold on. No, I'm going to take the screen off. I got to get this on video in case something funny happens. Go, birdie. Go this way. Go this way. Oh my gosh, why are you gotta be so dumb? Come on. There you go. Keep going. Don't try to go back that way. Stupid. There you go. Shish. Poop all over the place. Another exciting inspection adventure.